Alrighty. What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What is going on, my brother?
What's going on, everybody? What's going on, Hobbs?
Yeah, good, man. It feels like a Monday. It really does. It feels like we got like an extra weekend or something plugged in because I didn't trade yesterday, but I did do a live trading session on the paper trade side with the Discord that went really well. Just learning a lot of things about the market and stuff like that and how I trade. And, sometimes it helps just seeing people live trade and get those reps in. So we did do that for the Discord, but other than that, I didn't take any trades. I actually locked myself out of my account so I wouldn't take any trades. So today we had unemployment claims. Gave us a little bit of pump in the morning session, but then we kind of pushed back down, holding right at midnight price. And I really think the market wants to go for a nice rally today. Everything's setting up pretty nicely. So definitely going to be looking to get some setups kind of early in the morning. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe buttons, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Please make sure you are using the Apex code that is streaming down below. Apex has a brand new deal out right now. They're now, I believe, 80% off all of the accounts, $35 resets. And then in addition to the $35 resets, right, here's the little extra nugget they added. All of the 150K to 300K accounts are 80% off. So they're basically like $40 or something like that. They're 80% off like $200. So it's like $40. And then they have an $85 lifetime activation fee. So all in all, you're out the door for $120, $130 on the what's the name accounts, the 150K to 300K accounts. Sorry. Yeah. So if you want to use that, you can. If you want to do that, go ahead and support the channel. Use the Apex code that's scrolling down through the bottom. If you want to join the Discord, keep up with the education that Justin and I provide 24/7. Not 24/7, but when we're available. Market reviews, we got all type of things that we're doing over there, teaching people how to use order flow, all that good stuff. If that stuff interests you, please make sure you tap the link in the description down below to the Discord. It's $40 per month. It's $15 per week. We like to keep it nice and cheap for now, and then later the prices will go up, but you'll be locked in at those prices. Now that we got that all the way, let's jump right into the pre-market plan and let's see how we're viewing this market this morning. Shall we? All right, so going right over here to the ES because that's what I trade. I want to make sure that that's what I'm focused on first and foremost. All right, so current conditions, we are officially in the markup phase, right? We're bearish below 55 or bearish above 55.60 or bullish above 55.60 and bearish below 55.84.25. The projected move on the day is about 0.89%, which puts us at roughly about 56.20, something like that. So in the macro, overnight session had a dynamic move. That's to the upside, by the way. The other way will be at like 5,500, something like that. But the overnight session had a dynamic move to the upside after 2 days of consolidation. So if you guys remember, the last few days we've been in massive consolidation. So since that time, we finally broke out after the holiday. And the market has broken once again into all-time highs or new all-time highs, right? So my goal is to look to participate in the trend at the higher time frame demand zones or areas that, develop as support for the market, right? So this area right now is starting to try to look pretty juicy, but I would like to see this area swept before I participate in any price here. However, my pre-market plan in regards to the shorts and the longs, because I don't fade my shorts, you know what I mean? Like you gotta put them out there just in case. So I'm looking to be bearish below, I'm looking to short weak rallies into 1 hour supply at 55.7925 through 55.88 and look to target 1 hour demand at 55.6750. I also want to look for buyers to defend bullish at 1 hour demand, 55.6750 through 55.6550, which is where we're kind of hovering at right now. I'm loving the liquidity beneath us. So I'm really hoping we get a sweep down through this liquidity before we leave this area. So I want to be looking to target 1 hour supply at 5579.25 through 5588. And beyond that, I want to be targeting that 0.9% from true day. So whatever 0.9%, 0.89% is from the midnight price is where I want to be looking to target if we just kind of push through this aggressively, okay? Then all the way down to the bottom before we turn bearish on the day, I want to look for buyers to defend the 4 hour demand at 5563.75 through 5560. I want to look to long the market targeting 1 hour supply at 55.79 through 55.88 or 55.8775, however you want to say it. And then again, all-time highs. So essentially, I want the market to come all the way back down, sweep this liquidity, and then go back up. That's essentially what my plan is for you ICTers out there, right? So moving over to NQ, very, very simple. Same macro thesis, right? And this is the first area I'm looking to loan the market back up. If this area does not hold, the next area I'm looking for is buyers to defend the 4 hour demand at 238.25 through 223.75. And I want to look to long the market targeting the 90-minute supply above at 311 through 337. Ultimately, the high, though, is 370. So I'm thinking the market is going to want to come back up here, take out this high, and then move higher. I got us going to slightly over 400 today on NQ. So we'll see what happens. That's a level that I put up there from last Tuesday, I think. So, or this Tuesday. So we'll see what happens. But I'm not gonna discount the shorts either. If we break below the previous day low, to me, that's going to indicate that the market's officially turning a little bit bearish up here. So those are also things that I'm going to be paying attention to because we're coming down pretty healthily on the 1 hour chart. So those are my thoughts on the market. I'd love to hear yours, Jay.
Yeah, I see tear in the house. Yeah, I'm the same as you right now. I'm looking for longs. I honestly don't really have I don't have a solid short plan. Do I have a short plan? Yes. Is it solid? No. Why? Because the market sucks for the shorts and the bears ain't doing nothing. But it's funny, like I always say, our levels are always normally very close to being the same. I got a 45-minute demand in the same area as your 1 hour demand. And then I'm basically I'm bullish as long as we're above 5,561. As long as we're above this support level, I want to continue to stay bullish just because this is the range, right? The low that brought us the high is literally this little uptrend that we had overnight. So as long as we're holding Wednesday's lows, I want to continue to be bullish. But as soon as we break Wednesday's lows, that's when I'll kind of flip to being bearish. And we're really not that far away. Like we're only 10 points away from breaking that level. And with the way ES has been moving lately, we could see a 30-point day on ES. So that's pretty much what I'm watching for. And then NQ is pretty much the same. We're retesting these all-time high level or this all-time high area and this rejection from yesterday. So as long as we can stay above here and continue to push up, then I want to be bullish. But if we break below basically Wednesday or Tuesday's lows, that's when I'll start to be a little bit more bearish. So or Wednesday's lows, I'll start to that'll kind of signal that the bears are kind of in the building and want to push the market down lower. And then I can start looking for retests or break and retest or whatever. So that's pretty much what I have on the day and what I'm looking for on both instruments. But I'm going to stick with ES because all I need is 4 points. ES, just give me 4 points and we're good today. That's all I need from you. Just 4 points. So, we'll see what happens.
No doubt. All right. And then in regards to the stock market, what can I say about NVIDIA that hasn't already been said? Theoretically, it's at a $1,400 price target, but it's $140 for now for the low. And it just keeps going higher and higher and higher. Market cap wise, it's still, I think it's now the highest ranked market cap in the stock market. Mm-hmm. I saw in a little article the other day, but it doesn't matter. Ultimately, will it continue to buy? If it's going to be bullish, there's no reason to be bearish. The market is going to continue to go up. The market, all of the stocks are currently selling down, which is what you kind of want to see after everything gapped up. But as long as they hold that previous day low, even if they sweep it, I think I'm still in the bullish camp. The VIX is still selling down aggressively, right? If we switch over to the VIX is still holding a level like this little range right here. Is it in a falling wedge pattern? Sure, it is. But until it shows any strength back to the upside, I I will just continue to look for the market to bounce. So I'm hoping one of these days, you know, the market just decides like, no, we're gonna keep going, and I'm wrong, and then I'll be happy because the volatility will increase. But until that day happens, I'm gonna keep my eyes on the bull prize, right? Where we were was bearish, and I wanted to short the market up there, but I was right. Well, I would have entertained shorts up there, but I was right in the pre-market plan. I wasn't ready to trade. So now, unless we break 223 on NQ, or we break 60, 61 on ES, then to me, this is just the pullback for the day. I like to see ES travel or trade a little bit lower beneath midnight price, but it might just hold here while NQ goes and takes the Asia lows, because NQ speeding up here, trying to get through this first area of demand, and then, you know, potentially break these Asia lows down here, which would be ideal. So that's the plan.
Yeah, ES is ES and NQ. Well, not so. Wait, was it NQ? Did NQ? No. Yeah, not so much NQ, but what's weird is ES's rally, because ES on Tuesday broke above its all-time high, whereas NQ did not, which actually showed that ES somehow got a leg up on NQ. How, I don't know, because NQ has been a lot stronger than ES. Even now with the sell-off, like NQ's sell-off is much stronger than ES's sell-off, even from a structure standpoint, right? Like NQ is breaking below its all-time highs, and ES previous all-time high, and ES is still, you know, well above its Tuesday price, right? So it's kind of weird, but Nvidia taking over the stock market was the reason why ES was able to rally the way it did. Even though Apple wasn't rallying on Tuesday, ES's rally Nvidia's rally was nuts, and now it's continuing to rally, and it's now the largest stock in the stock market. I haven't even seen this new market cap yet because the market's not open, but I'm assuming it's going to be up to like 3.4, maybe even 3.5. So I think Nvidia is on its way to becoming the first $4 trillion stock in the stock market. Honestly, I don't think anything is going to be Nvidia.
I think somebody's going to get there this year. That's for damn sure.
I think it's going to be Nvidia, because like I was watching the stock market, or the market cap race between Apple and Microsoft, right? Like last week it was Apple, Microsoft. They were switching off and on, right? And then out of nowhere, not little Nvidia, but Nvidia comes out of nowhere and just takes over. You know what I mean? So I don't know. I think Nvidia is going to be the one to do it first for 4 trillion. And yeah, I mean, to your point about the AI bubble, I don't know when this stops. You know what I mean? Like I don't know when
this
they
could go on for
Nvidia.
years, man. This could go on for years, for sure.
It's nuts. And not to mention, you know, the other thing too, something that we haven't really talked about, but if crypto gets into another bull market, like a true bull
crazy.
market, Nvidia is gonna go nuts.
Yeah, it could get really crazy, really fast.
Yeah,
really
and the reason why Nvidia is going to go nuts is because of their graphics cards. The reason why one of the pumps from Nvidia was the fact that the graphics cards on Nvidia are what crypto miners need to mine crypto, right? Bitcoin and stuff. And they get a powerful pump from that, right? So just imagine if this bull market continues and crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum starts to go crazy, it's only going to drive Nvidia even higher and give another leg up on the Apples and the Microsofts of the world. So that's just a whole nother sector that Nvidia is in that I don't think a lot of people are even talking about right now. But that just goes to Nvidia's dominance over this stock market.
I concur. They've just gotten to the level where whatever they're offering, if this is an AI bubble, they're in the lead for the bubble, right? Like, so, you know, it's either get on board or get out the way ultimately with Nvidia, because because we have such an anomaly and it's in an election year, like the stars are aligned for this to just continue, right? And I know everybody at some point everybody's trying to look for reasons to get short, but the reality is the market's trying to continue to go higher, right? Like we talked about the fact that the market was ultimately not even up 20% on the year, like barely up 20%. So like the market can, you know, on a bubble year, based off the research that I've done, we could go up 50% on the year. So if we're only up 20% right now, maybe we get a pullback before the Christmas. Obviously we could sell off like after the election or something like that. I don't know. All I know is that this is not a normal year, and it would behoove you to adjust to what the market is doing while it's here. You know what I mean? So, my thoughts.
Yeah.
Every time I look at people's plan, I'm just like, everybody's trying to get short, and I'm like, man, like, well, I shouldn't say everybody. NQ Anonymous, those are my guys, but I be watching his little, let's put together a trading plan. Like I'll listen to it. The first thing he be saying, like, this is a perfect short setup, classic short setup. I'm like, I don't think so. I mean, today was nice. If you caught the shorts at the in the pre-market, they were really nice. But
yeah, I mean, like, again though, every time the market goes short, we only come back up higher like 2 times the amount of shorting that we did. It's almost better just to wait for the market to come down to then long it back to the upside, because you're going to get way more bang for your buck,
Yeah, I mean, for the way that I like to trade, I want to trade on the side of the more powerful position, and the fact that we're trading down right now in the morning just makes me super excited. I thought that we were going to stay up there, and I was going to be really upset if we stayed up there. So, but the fact that we're trading down makes me ready to long the hell out of this market.
Yep. We get a nice long in and call it a dizzy. Good morning, David. How's it going? Zabak the midget. Haven't seen you in like a couple months, bro. How's it going? Come on with it. You still trading trade day? iBomb Inc. Good morning, family. Good morning, iBomb. Yep, I am here. LOL. ICT trader in the house.
What's good?
What up, everybody? Y'all being real quiet this morning as per usual.
Man, everybody party too late for Juneteenth yesterday.
Oh yeah, all these people partying. What up, John?
Everybody was out kicking it.
Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of selling going on down here. I like it. All this selling looks like we're starting to get absorbed. I still want us to come down a little lower though. My 3 more points.
Yeah, I want to get price in the 60s. I don't want to buy here, but if we create an order flow shift here, I'll be forced to purchase here. But
JH View says 5560 long on ES.
Yep.
Yeah. I like the 60s as well.
That would be the perfect scenario if we could tap 5560. I would love nothing more than for us to come down and tap 5560. Not joking at all.
iBomb says facts, jazz vibes. Yeah, this is more of like a chill, like hip hop beat.
Yeah,
I wouldn't say this is necessarily jazz. This is more of like your kind of somewhat J. Cole, somewhat not J. Cole beat, I guess.
Yeah, I can see J. Cole spitting on this thing. I can see that. Come on, drop it. We got
you mean Juneteenth. Okay, got you.
What you thought I was talking about?
No, he said June. He meant Juneteenth.
Oh,
he meant Juneteenth was the jazz vibe.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see that. Like, nice little festivals out, and I do miss going out. At some point, I want to take my kids down to Chicago for the. They have a 4th of July special down in Grant Park. I forget what it's called, but man, it's like food everywhere. Different, vendors come out. It's a whole vibe in Chicago for the 4th of July. A whole vibe, and we're not too far now, so we could drive down there. My dad's down there in Indiana, so definitely want to check that out for the kids. Come on down, NQ. You almost there.
Yeah, yes, it's almost there as well. Almost my first level of interest. It's almost to my first level of interest anyway. The one thing I do like is that we're not like straight flushing down. We're making really nice swings on the way down. It's not like a we got to get down. John Kelsey says the Chicago Fest.
Nah, I don't think it's called the Chicago Fest.
I don't know if that's what it's called, but
no, that's not what it's called, John. It's called something else. And July 4th. I haven't been there so long.
A lot of selling going down at these lows. A lot of selling.
Oh, it's called the Taste of Chicago. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, that's what it's called.
Taste of Chicago.
Yeah, like they have like all of these vendors. Nah, not the music festival. I know what you're talking about. I've been down there for the jazz fest. I'm talking about the Taste of Chicago. Ain't that during the 4th of July? Yeah, there you go. Dr. JC said it. That's what I thought. The 4th of July. That's what I thought. I mean the Taste of Chicago for the 4th of July. Yeah, I used to love that shit. Yeah,
that's funny. Trading
the jazz festival was dope too, but what's funny?
What Trading Your Girl said. You might not have missed. You might have missed it. It's in the Discord. You might have missed that conversation from earlier.
Oh my shit! Bring your strap. Them fools be shooting. It be dangerous like that, man. I got little kids. I can't even chance that if that's what they be on out there still. I know it's Chirac, but I haven't been back in so long. I haven't been back since my mom left. And I was in the military. All right, here comes some buyers into the markets.
My boy used to call buns and food. What? Buns and food. Yeah, it looks like somebody was absorbing price down there.
Oh, definitely. They're definitely setting us up. I mean, setting it up for the kill down here. I just want a tad bit lower. That's it. I don't think I'm asking for much to go a little lower.
I want lower as well. Well, we got about 15 minutes until the market opens, so I'll wait for my level to hit. But yeah, we're in a nice little downtrend right now. I have it marked on my chart. I want to see this level reject and us continue to go lower. People get killed every year. I've been twice. Nope, those ninjas on demon time in Chirac.
Oh hell no, nah. If they out there murking motherfuckers like that, then I'll just stay away. I'll go to Indiana when my pop said it's pretty peaceful out there.
iBomb said, yeah, I went to University of Minnesota. A lot of brothers from Chi-Town.
Yeah. I used to. There's this girl I knew in Cali. She was from Minnesota. She was a whatchamacallit, air traffic controller. She used to love talking about Minnesota. I'd be like, bro, it's so cold in Minnesota. Like, it's cold in Chicago too, but it's cold in Minnesota. Cold.
Asia lows, please. I need that.
It was that, Mr. Potts. I knew it. Yeah. We just need a little bit lower. Yeah, that's what I feel like.
Yeah, ES is already starting to get that pump up out of here. We're playing around at VWAP. Everything else is noise. Yeah.
Noise.
Yeah, I'm waiting for my level to be hopefully tested, but it looks like the buyers are starting to get a little aggressive here. $930 should dump it. ES is baiting. I'm not touching ES. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see.
I think they want 66 at least on the tape. There's a lot of liquidity sitting down there. See the market trade down there. I don't mind us taking out the high first though. Let's see.
We're right in the middle of those two pockets, 50, 75, 50, and 66, 50, about a 10-point range. So Let's see. I'm not mad if this is a nice little fake out here. Fake out, breakout, come back down.
Mm-hmm.
The market's gonna be open here pretty soon. We've got about 3 minutes till market open. Check on Nvidia, see where Nvidia is at right now. Okay. The market is pretty flat besides Nvidia.
Mm-hmm. I think we could be in for a patience test to start the day. We got inventory at 11. We got crude oil inventory at 11. Market could dance around until then. Oh yeah, that's late for crude oil, isn't it? And it usually at 10.
No, I don't think. Oh, maybe. I'm not sure. We got. Oh no, that's consumer confidence for Europe. And Barkin speaks, but I don't think Barkin's the one who the market cares about so much. I can't remember. There was one Fed speaker
I tell you every time. I tell you, Ashkari, man. That's the
I feel like he hasn't spoken in a while, has he?
I know, but that's the one the market really care about. Him and Barr. Hey, good morning.
Who's that? Oh, Malik.
Nope.
Nah. You short the market, Malik? That's all good. At least you locked yourself out of 3 of them for, I'm assuming, profit, right? Yeah. Mr. I'm a teacher, but don't believe in teaching.
Yeah,
you talking about for Top Step or you talking about for Apex? Because for Apex, we got you. For Top Step, not so much.
He said no.
Top Step rarely does sales. They only do sales if it's like something big is going on with them. All right, looks like we're putting in a nice higher low here before the market opens up. Really holding this resistance at 70 or the support at 70. Now that we're above it, but we'll see what happens. Market is about to open.
Lower.
Yeah, I too want the market to come lower.
Lower.
No, the daily loss limit changes depending on what account size you're in.
That's what you're paying for is the daily loss limit.
Yeah.
Extra leverage.
Ooh. The market's trying to sweep down. This is that open we haven't seen in a minute.
I like
Let's
this.
go.
I like it when you squeal a little bit.
Yeah, a little volatile here. Just volatility a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, he a fan. He a fan.
I like it when you squeal a little bit.
He a fan, bro. He a fan.
I like it.
Yes, he a 69 god. He a 69 god.
Tap 66.
But it's diabolical out here. All right, tap it into this demand zone at 67.
Hey, man, stop. Get some help. Oh, freaking hilarious, man. Every time I catch Justin doing that shit, he always do. I'm like, Justin, stop it. Get some help. All right, we're tapping into this area. Come on down.
Yeah, JH. We do trade NQ from time to time. I'll hit that buy button.
All right, 65 is getting filled.
All right,
66.
sold straight through.
Yep, time to get busy.
We are selling this is an aggressive straight sell down right now. A lot of stops are probably being taken as we're selling through here. And this is a straight down move right now. Aggressive. Ooh, aggressive. I'm not gonna lie, I was really hoping we were gonna continue down. Here. It's like we're retesting that liquidity at 5.566 and coming right back down. There's a good amount of buying coming at these lows as well. Especially at that 6.5 level. Good amount of buying coming in.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. NQ's already taken the low.
Yeah.
ES just closed the gap on the 4 hour.
That is true. It looks like they're putting liquidity on ES to protect this 5.568 level. I think if these buyers take 5.568, I think the bears could be in a lot of trouble.
Yeah, the VIX did not push up off that dump. It was standing still at 30. NQ's going down lower though. Maybe back down to settlement. Yo,
who's that? Malik? I heard order filled.
NQ is flush. Shit. This thing is done. Bro, look at it. It wants settlement price. Damn,
Microsoft dumped. Apple's trying to dump, but Microsoft can't live the downside. Yeah, ES is trying to hold, but I think it's going to reject, though.
That's crazy. That was a 100-point dump from the open. Thank you. 139 points. God damn.
All right, here comes some more strong buying into ES. If ES, like I said, if they can hold below 5.568 on ES, I think the selling will continue. Yeah, it looks like they're absorbing these buyers here. See what we do, what we do, what we do. Man,
The
ES.
candle looks fucking nuts. God damn. Yo, these buyers, man. Beard, the fucking beard. God damn.
You're in are you going long?
Nah, short.
Oh, I was wondering.
Going low. He thought he was going short now? He knows.
I just wondering.
You go. I'm going sideways.
I mean, I'm just looking at ES's tape. We just look really weak to the long side up here. That's all. I know NQ's at its lows, but
NQ's beyond the low.
Well,
NQ is overachieved. They have overachieved.
Yeah, just looking at ES, we're continuing to kind of defend that 5668. There's a lot of sellers that hit the tape there. It looks like Price is trying to defend it, but we'll see. Sellers are trying to get, buyers are trying to get super active above this level. Let's go. This market's on demon time. Looks like Google, Apple, and Nvidia are getting a nice pump to the upside right now. It's just Microsoft that's selling off. It's probably enough to pump everything else up. Let's see. What up, Kyle J? OPEC's coming? Yeah, OPEC is tomorrow. That's a good point. I forgot about that.
Oh.
See if ES can break above the 70s.
Trading Yoga Girl, you spot it yet? Exactly like yesterday. They look exactly like Tuesday. Shit looks fucking identical. I swear to God, this shit looks fucking identical to Tuesday. Monday or Tuesday, whatever. I think it was Monday when we traded down and we had that aggressive push up. This shit looks fucking identical to fucking Monday. I'm just looking at this shit like, bro, this shit looks so the exact fucking thing. Exact fucking shit. I think if we get above 72, we're out of here. We'll retest this level though. At 5565, they added a ton of liquidity to protect 5560. So I'm in the longs. That's why I was so quiet. I was trying to focus on getting the entry that I wanted. I'm in the longs at 556525, and my stop is below 60. My plan is if we break above this high, I want to add to the position on a retest of the previous high and previous low. That level for me sits 50% at 5568. So at 5568, if we can get above the high here, I want to add to the position. And as long as we're above 60 to 61, I want to remain in this trade. I think we go to 5600 today, so I want to load this position up pretty heavily. There's a ton of liquidity at 5580 as well, which definitely supports my thesis that we're going to have a big move today. Because I'm looking at that liquidity. If it gets filled at 80, it's gonna fuel a rally.
A lot of strong buying coming to the market right now too. Oh, nice. Chandra got long on NG.
No, she says she's long NQ at 2020.
Oh, NQ. Ha! NG.
She meant NQ. But...
NQ, yeah. I saw the number. I was like, NG, 20 something. I thought NG's
go,
like
Chandra.
$2. Good job.
Let's go. You know what it is. All right, we're up about 10 points on the trade. Pretty clean ass trade here. I just want to see, a retest into 5568 because that's why I want to add the majority of the position. So I'm going to load in 2 more contracts right there. If we can come back down to 68, I think the market wants to take out 80 first, steal that liquidity, and then inside of this next macro trade back down into the 558 or 5568 area. But if we get too far of a gap here, we're not going to trade back down. I don't want us to go too far. I want us to come back down a little bit. Bro, great entry about this. You see my entry about this? Look at my entry in the joint. Yeah, look at my entry on ES. Bottoms. Give me that shit. I see it. I'm like, yo, it look like the same fucking entry, man. Bro. I dropped down to the 32nd and I was just watching the liquidity down there at 6.5. And the more selling came in, I was just like, yeah, just a little bit. And we tapped my 4 hour. My 4 hour demand was 556375. The low of the day so far is 556375. When I saw that shit, I was like, nope. Plan, time, price, give me here. Yeah, I saw that. As soon as I saw it, I was watching them back to back, and I kind of wanted to take the trade on both, but yeah. Yeah. I think ES wants to. Yeah. I'm cool with it. I think we come back. Like I said, I think we come back into 5568. I'm in this trade for. I'm trying to hold this trade basically all day. I think this is the low of the day. So. And we're in the right direction of price. The market's at basically a perfect situation to go higher. So I'm going to try to hold this, but I want to add to the position at a strategic level. I know you can. You won't be able to take that. I'm just trying, like I told you. No, remember I told you, like, don't look at it like an ad. Start looking as if you're not in the trade, right? So like right now I'm setting up another setup on the tape as if I'm not in the trade. So I'm marking my horizontal lines where the buying came out of, right? I know where I want to trade next. So I'm looking at this like, okay, we got above the high. We're clearly changing order flow. There's a potential that we could sweep this low before we go higher, but I'm hoping that we just come back into this box and these buyers defend up here. This is what I've been practicing. It's just like, you know, understanding that you're in the right position. You know what your target is. Oh, it's all good. It's all good. My bad. Yeah. Well, don't paper trade, just back test. Like just go to any, like I told you, like just rewind any section of time, right? And then just say, okay, I don't care whether this is a winner or a loser. I know it's going to be a winner, but how can I add to it and strategically where? Me and Trading Yoga Girl went over a lot of that this week or yesterday on the fly. Trading Yoga Girl, does that entry look familiar? Is that exactly what we practiced yesterday? That's exactly what we practiced yesterday. Exactly what we practiced. That's exactly what we practiced. Oh, I was ready. I was fucking quiet as the sniper. I was like, yeah. I was like, I ain't saying nothing in this area. I was like, I need this entry for my fucking psyche. Because I just. Yeah, I'm looking for the 950 macro to send us back down. I want to get another entry into this area, right in that little buy box between the high. If you put a fib from 72 to 63, that's where I want to re-add to that position. I'm thinking 70 is the top. So I'm expecting us to come down very aggressively and like trap more sellers. So inside of this macro, I'm looking for us to push down really aggressively, and then I'm going to add the final pieces to my puzzle. I see it, bro. That's what I was looking at. I looked at the 15 minute. I said, yo, this 15 minute looks disgusting. I know. I think this is probably one of my best entries for sure. I know. Trust me, I'm looking at it all on fucking. I know. Yeah, it's a work of work, right? Like we put that work in. All right, here we go. This is what I want to see. Expect some turbulence, especially if we take 580. I'm looking for 950 to trade down, which is what I really want to see. I want us to trade down into. I'm gonna go. He's like, I don't want to watch. I'm not adding, so I'm out of here. If we just consolidate and we don't come back down, which is a possibility too, then my idea is to just hold this one contract until the market sets up or gets above a high or something, and then consolidates, and then I can add more positions, and the one contract will be in more profit as well. So, but I really want to add before we leave this area. But if we're already gone, then, you know, I'll take this one contract up. All right, here comes the pushback down inside of that 950 candle, just like we talked about. looking to add, if this is a 20-minute candle, I'm looking to add it around 10 o'clock. I want time and price alignment at around 10. And I'm looking at 68 for the reload. $70, 68 through 70, or 72 through 69.50 on the tape. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, there's a lot of positive delta up here.
It's bullish or bearish?
It's a little bit bearish, just because the consolidation up here was a lot of buying, but even with that selling, they're still buying it back up. I think as long as we get above this high and trade into the 80s, I think this will end up moving pretty nicely to the upside. But I just looking at that, there's a shit ton of liquidity at 55.80. So that's my only concern right now. Is can we get above the 55.80? I think if we can get above 55.80, I think we'll have a clear path back to all-time highs. But I think if we fail at 80, then we could be coming back down, and we could be coming back down lower. So, but you got such a good entry that like I wouldn't be too concerned right now.
I'm not.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah, that's
like
the resting liquidity, but I'm looking at those people as fuel for the upside. So that's because ultimately the VIX isn't pumping, so that's telling me that the market is still buying. And I'm looking at Amazon having an absolute field day right now, and I just want the other stocks to kind of participate. My thesis is still going to remain the same until they stop me out. What I'm up right now, I'm not really trying to focus on that. I'm just trying to focus on the process of this particular trade. And I've been really practicing how to manage this trade, so I want to make sure I try to do it in real time. I want to break down to 68, but it doesn't look like the market wants to do that. I'm hoping it does. At least to 70. I don't think so either, but that's what I want. I mean, if it doesn't, if it doesn't, and this is the low of day, that's fine. I can add higher once we get above the high, because I know a lot of people will be looking to play that break and retest, and I'll join that party. But I want to see us trading down into 10 o'clock, so we still got some time. Yeah, I just take the swing high. Yep, still good. It doesn't matter. I mean, it's as long as you got that area, right? Like, that's good. It's good. It's like he joking, but he not really joking. Lower.
That was a pretty high. That was a pretty negative delta candle that just printed on the 5-minute right there. Let's see what we do.
Yeah, nobody knows what that means.
There's just a lot of selling in that last 5-minute candle that just closed. That's all. Negative delta is always going to be, well, it's context. It's the context. Like the well, it's where we're at. There's a lot of negative delta coming in on the chart right now, which just means there's a lot of selling. But I don't know. I'm still trying to gauge what's really going on. I guess for me right now, I just don't want to see this last 5-minute candle get taken, just because of how much positive delta was in that last in the 5-minute candle at 9:40. There was 2,220 more orders positive, and now the selling volume is picking up heavily. A lot of selling is in this candle, so this could be a very strong downside candle just based off all the selling that I'm seeing right now.
The ultimate invalidation would be previous day low, so below 560.
Some more aggressive selling. Let's see what we do here. Brian, good morning. JH fuses 3K on one long on ES for the eval. Let's go, JH. Kyle said bounce off 50 EMA or 50 MA on the 1 hour for ES. I think that's to the upside. Brian says, why wouldn't you take profit then trade again when the market comes down? I think that's a question for you, Hobbs, because you're in the trade right now, not me.
Oh, because I believe we're going much higher. That's why. That's my analysis, is that we're going much higher. So I'm trying to build the position. I'd rather stay in the low position and then build on it. And my risk is really small and managed. It's just the way I prefer to trade it. That's all.
We're getting a really large negative delta candle here on the 5-minute. Want to see if the buyers end up trying to eat this back up, or if the sellers continue selling here. We got some nice buying coming in right now. Very nice buying. Dang, when these buyers buy, these motherfuckers buy. Let's go. They still have those orders sitting up there at 580 too, so we might gravitate up to that 580 spot. I think right now that's kind of where the market wants to go, putting this higher low and then continue going higher to 580. Oh yeah, NQ looks a lot different than ES does.
Yeah, this looks much stronger than what I want. I'm just waiting. That rejection of that macro right there is definitely not a good thing. We traded up to come back lower, looks like.
We're holding that no.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm trying along here as well. I'm speculating we're going to push up. I just need 4 points, so risking 2.5. I like the negative delta we just had down there on that selling. So I'm gonna try it here. The low at 69.50. Yep. Just want to see us get above this 73 level. If we get above 73, I think we'll be home free. This candle, 17 seconds.
Yeah, let's see.
Still pushing down here. Not looking too good.
And here comes the test of your patience. Still think we could potentially get a push down into 68 before we go higher. But whoever that seller is up there, he's putting a lot of pressure on the market. I want to see these bulls start to fight back soon. There we go. CVD's kind of flipping here.
Yeah, we're making, there's a CVD divergence down here as well.
Yeah, I like it.
Another big seller down there at the low. It's getting trapped, so we'll see. See if my stop can survive this. Well, looks like I might get ticked out here, fortunately.
Selling's increasing significantly here. If we don't hold 68.
All right, stopped out there.
Hold on. This is the level that I want to see hold. Yeah, I'm out there. That shit did not hold. Don't fucking do that. Don't do it.
Oh, brother.
Tapped at 68 liquidity. Just went a lot lower than I wanted.
This is a strong negative delta candle here. I'm hoping we can eat this up.
I don't know. This looks like a trap. Hold on. Five-minute candle looks nasty.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
They definitely look like they want lower. Okay, Malik.
Nice, I'm on top step. We're over here testing these lows again. And breaking lower. Whew. This is a pretty exhaustive move to the downside here. We're almost at my level, my second level to look for longs here. So let's see what happens. Could be, very well could be.
This 15-minute candle is like straight down. Well, yeah, at least we know that the market wants down. That thesis was invalidated once we started coming down like aggressively and broke 6.8. Like it was time to go. I really thought that we could go a little bit higher. That's why I held for the second position. But yeah, the market wants lower, much lower. And this looks like a correction type day because now the VIX is getting involved.
Yeah, on top of that, Nvidia is selling off heavily.
I'll try longs down here. Like the sweep of previous day low. I like the buying that's coming in. Tap of settlement price. I'm just gonna try it to the next swing. I still think we changed character when we got above 72. I think this was just a sweep of the low to just liquidate everybody that got in early.
It really was. It really was.
You know what? I'm on the wrong side of price. I'm gonna get out of this. Yeah, I got in long, but I'm fighting the trend. The trend is down. The selling is here. I'm trying to fight the trend with my bias, and I can see the trend. Like the trend is down. There's no reason to fight this until we officially shift the order flow here. Yeah, we're already back below the previous day low. Like, if the market wants to keep dropping, then I don't want to step in front of the moving train. I want the buyers to prove that they want to go higher. Suddenly, okay. Yeah, no, I mean, I took two long trades. Like yeah, I'm good, brother. I'm good.
He said disregard it because you already said it.
Well, basically, he was saying that like the longs might be done, and I'm like, yeah, they might be. So yeah, I've already taken note of that. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
the entire stock market is also selling down here, but ES is finding some strength down here at these at this support level. So see what we do.
Yeah, if we just drop past this level, then I'll wait for the next low. But I'm not gonna participate in shorts this low.
Yeah. I'm with you on that. I'm kind of just watching price right now, but I'm liking what I'm seeing on the 1 minute. Like what I'm seeing on the 5 minute down here. These lows, some buying stepping up here. So, but we're just consolidating down here. I mean, it might be. I'm definitely not gonna fight this if they want to continue to sell this down. But we're seeing a little bit of consolidation here, so I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. We could be potentially consolidating to go back up higher. I don't know. This low is very important. This low has to hold. So
son. Yeah,
we'll see. Set some absorption down here as well at this low. We'll see. It's gonna be patient.
Somebody's got an echo, guys. Can you check? Yeah, it might be to come.
Probably
we could continue selling. I'm not going to step in front of these bears if they want to continue selling. They don't have the VIX fully on their side, but that last dump, the VIX definitely got busy. So I was like, yeah, no. Whenever I see the VIX jump up like that, that's when I gotta get the fuck up out of there. So, but like Justin, like if we can't hold previous day low, then yeah, I expect us to go much lower. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, a lot of selling's going on down here, a lot. And it looks like they just absorbed price on these buyers. So I think it looks like we may be coming down lower. Let's see.
Yeah, what's the next level down? Dump it all day, fuck it. Yeah, we could come. We got some ways to go to the downside. It's going to be a 0.9% day to the downside. Eesh.
Gaps to fill. Yeah.
Yeah, plenty of gas to fill.
Yeah, in this 5 minute candle, there was a lot of buying that went on at that high, and they absorbed all of it. More strong buying coming in.
I think the market wants up from here.
This is a very important support. I agree. But right now, they're filling positions. Right now, they're filling positions.
Yeah, the buyers aren't looking nearly as powerful as they has been. Like,
yeah, well, for me to take the market long, I got to see us start to break above. I want buyers to start coming in first, and then I'll look for a retest. But trying to long this right here, I think is the probabilities are lower. This is looking kind of like a double bottom, though. We're looking double bottom-ish. But we'll see what happens. Even triple bottom-ish.
Got equal lows on the 15-minute.
Mm-hmm.
Those wicks. I think this is I'm long 61. Well, I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this as just the sweep, the liquidation sweep. I think we bought the shoulder, which is always fucks me up because I always like fall in love with that shoulder, thinking it's going to go higher every time. Every time, it's hard. It's hard to get not fooled because it looks so good. You're like, up city, but I protected myself, so I'm good with it. That's why I started with the one contract. So like, even if that came back down, it wasn't going to set me back much at all. But this time I'm able to put a nice tight stop because I believe if we break 58, we're going to much, much lower. And since my entry's at 61, my risk is only 3 points right here. So I'll take this.
NVIDIA just basically closed its gap too, and it's moving back to the upside, which is really good. Google's rounding. Microsoft is holding its low. Just need Apple to get going. I think these longs will be good. Try to get us on a retest.
Yeah, I'm sure that shoulder will be retested, that 64 level. That's where I'm going to add the other portion of the position this time. If we can get busy. I like the buying. I like all the selling coming in at the low. Market got me with that sweep though. Kind of annoyed with that.
Yeah, we had a large amount of buying between 64 and 66. So
Why are you going to do that?
Maybe you're on the wrong side in the current, but in the overall, you'd be on the right side. So I'm gonna try along here. There's more strong buying coming in. Actually,
Just a, I think I know what that. I think I know what that actually means.
What?
It's just like, actually, let me take this in my funded account.
No.
Oh, I thought it was one of those actually.
No.
Really good.
Nah. Yeah. I'm up 2 points. I'm risking 2 points. I said actually. Oh, go ahead.
I got you. I feel you. I was just asking because I didn't know if that was you protecting yourself from the previous trade, or is that something you normally do? That's why I was asking. Yeah. Facts. And that's why I was so bullish on this area, because I was like, I'm gonna get the low here. Because if we break this, we're going lower anyway. So I added to the position when Justin got in as well. So now my entry is 62.50 and my stops are at the same level. I just don't want to see an aggressive ass fucking seller come in and just dump all of this progress, because then I'm gonna have my fingers on the trigger.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one.
Yeah. I have a mental stop, and I have my finger on the flatten all button as well. Because the way we came down, like, I think that was, bullish, but I'll feel better when we get above the fucking high. That's what I'll feel. You know what I'm saying? I'll feel better when we get up there. Exactly.
Yeah, we gotta break some stuff. I think we're in a good position though.
Oh, I'm definitely. I love my entry. I love everything about the execution.
Yeah, I like how we came down aggressively and then like immediately popped back up. The thing I said was because I was gonna put my stop at the low, and I was like, actually, we just V-shape recovered there. Like, I'm gonna put my stop 2 points because that's all I really need to give it. Yeah, we just need to continue to push here. Push into the 70s and then break. My target's 71, so all I need is $800, so I'm just looking for 8 points.
I thought you only needed 400.
I lost on that first trade, remember?
He said I lost some. Remember?
Yeah, I lost $200 on that first trade, so I need 8 points now. Oh, you're right. I only need 600. I'm stupid. I'm an idiot. My bad. My bad. No. You're right. I completely messed up right there. No, I only lost 2. You're right. My bad. I need less points. You're right. I'm sorry. I apologize for my outburst. I'm sorry.
You need 600, 800 for it.
You're right. We're struggling here, though. I'm thinking about just taking profit. Let's see what we do.
Yeah, I'm trailing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna let this trade go red on me. I don't like what we're doing here, so I'm at least gonna take something. We're struggling to break this wick on the 5, and there's a good amount of orders, a good amount of buy orders up here. So
come on, buyers, do the thing.
I'd like to see us just push straight through this. Why are these candles not popping back up? There you go. Come on, buyers. Do your stuff.
I feel like if they wanted to push it up, they would have pushed it up already. I'm gonna take 2 contracts up. I took 2 contracts up right there. Just in case.
Damn.
I feel like if they wanted to push it, they would have just pushed that shit.
Facts.
But I'm protected now. I'm back in just 1 contract. I took some profits right there. It's weird because they added. Oh, let's go. Good. It's weird because when I sold the position, I got a much higher entry because they sold my original.
Oh, because they sold your original position first.
Yeah, my original position was at 61. When I took those 2 contracts off, they put me back in at 63.50. I don't know how the fuck I got this entry. Oh, maybe that's where I added the 2 Yeah, okay, because that makes sense because my average was 52. All right, that was a nice push, but it still didn't break the high. So
yeah,
if we can get above the high, I'll trust this and go back to I'm gonna go back to my stop loss. I still like my entry. And I still have time to add before we get above that swing high. So I like what I did just right there.
That was close to stopping me out too. See if we can get above here, we'll be good. Just need 3 more points. Basically below VWAP.
You're gonna get it. This thing is about to send. I think we're about to get a send. I'm just trying to get more positions in. But
there we go. Come on. Just a little bit higher. We just broke above that wick. There's a negative 400 delta up here in that last candle. Just wants to break through all this. Give me my 625 and we good to go, baby.
Let's go, Justin.
Come on.
Keep buying. Keep buying.
Push it. Almost there. One more point. One more point.
Jay.
Come on.
Come on, Jay.
Come on.
You got it. Just one more point. Yeet. Give us a yeet candle. Come on.
Mayday. Shut up. He said Mayday.
Supposed to change. That's the Mayday.
No.
Mayday. Yeah,
that was funny that day. That was funny that day.
Right there.
It was Yeet's problem. It was Mayday. I said, oh, Mayday, Yeet, Mayday, Yeet.
All right, careful here, Jay. They're trying to set us up.
Yeah,
If they don't push through this, it's going to be a setup. But I love what NVIDIA's doing. NVIDIA looks good.
Oh, if NVIDIA's moving, we good.
Yeah, NVIDIA's pushing.
We almost there. Come on, bro. Come on.
Damn, NQ looks really good.
Come on. I just need to don't do this to me, ES. Don't do this to me, ES. Come on, ES. Push. Come on.
Nah, dude. Do what you do, Justin. Trade your shit. Manage your shit how you manage your shit. Don't listen to fucking about this. He ain't the market maker.
Nah.
He ain't the market maker. The VIX is pushing right now. I don't like that.
It is pushing. I don't like that neither. And the VIC and NVIDIA.
I'm out right there. I'm gonna wait until we actually push. I don't like what I'm seeing out of the VIX whatsoever. Take my profits.
See if we put in this higher low. Yeah, we're failing here.
Yeah, I'm not liking that failure up there. Yeah, I flattened mine. I flattened mine up there, those highs, bro. I was like, yeah, I'm not liking this at all. There's too much selling. The VIX is pushing up. Like, I'm not feeling these highs at all. What are we trying to do here? All right, now the VIX is coming back down, but we're still getting aggressively selling. I'm not fucking with it. I'm glad I took my profits. Even if this pumps, like I'm out of it. I'm out of it.
Yeah, they just took me out.
Yeah, I think we're trading down, guys. I think the VIX is starting to warm up to the idea. I'm gonna leave them longs alone for now. Yeah, I think that was it. That's why I scalped it. I was like, I got in twice. I got in with one mini, then I added, and then I fucking saw the rejection. I'm like, nah, I'm taking profit right here. He said I got short. I spit the block on their ass. Like, if that's the case, I don't trust the shorts, but I definitely, I don't trust the shorts. I'm not gonna flip short, but I'm definitely need to see more from these bears.
The VIX is still trying to pump down.
My money's on the bull still. It's just they didn't leave the area like I wanted to leave the area, and I did not feel comfortable. So get a retest right here. Let's see. Also moving toward PM highs. Good morning, guys. Which prop firms are y'all with? Top Step X. I mean, we have Apex accounts, but I don't really trade them. Yes, currently bearish fair value gap. Yeah, the day after holiday won't calibrate until later today. Nothing is statistical at the moment. Was that a robot that typed that? Sounded like a robot response. Good morning, Chicago. Short all day today? Nah, I don't think we go short all day. I think we're filling gaps to go higher, but right now I do not like the shorts in this area. So I like the area, but I don't like how prices behaving. I think the market wants to try to do some slick shit, but my money's on the bulls in this scenario. But I don't know what the fuck we're trying to do right now. So I'm just gonna sit on my hands for now. Just back away. I like how I manage this area though. Like, I still like what NQ's doing on the 15-minute. I like the equal lows on ES. Nothing's really changed, but I do like the way I manage to trade inside of this area. I look to re-enter here at 65. I like again the absorption. At the lows, I still think we changed character on that shoulder. So I'm just, at this point, I'm back in with one contract at 65. Stops are below the low. I'm just gonna see if we can just push out of this area instead of, No, I don't think the shorts are it. There's no way I'm shorting the market down here. But instead of adding to the position, I'm gonna wait until we get above the ultimate high at 87, where I think we can go. Because I think what's scaring me is how much size I'm in, and like I'm scared to hold trade. So I'm just gonna stay with my regular size in this area. And if the market drops below, then okay, I'm just wrong, right? So but I can afford to be wrong. With what I was playing earlier, the losses would have been detrimental to my trade, but I was willing to risk it. But once I saw things weren't working out, I'm like, okay, no, we're not doing that. Let's go back. Let's go get this off and take some profit on the next one, and you're good. But I am in the longs at 65 here, just trying to see if we can push out of this area.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait patiently for my next entry area. Maybe we can kind of work that bid at 62, and I can look to get long there. We might not even come back down there. It's just hard. This puts me in a rock and a hard place right here.
Yeah, it's a tough area to trust, especially how we're behaving.
I took profit. I didn't take a lot of profit, but I'm still red on the day, but just small red.
I think it's a tough area to navigate because price isn't doing what we're used to price doing down here, which is pushing up aggressively right away. So it makes you feel like the bears are in control. And every time they come down with strength. So
yeah,
if they blast through this area, then I'm just going to get out of the trade.
Yeah, I think longs might give us another bite at the apple. I guess I want to see like 63 hold again, 63 to 62 ish, just because that's where we kind of came from. We kind of already,
and it's like that low of the day or whatever.
Once. Yeah, I think as long as we're holding that, it should be good. Just kind of watching this. I'm with you on longing the market down here. I definitely do not want to short this.
Yeah. I don't want to short, but the more I look at this, the more I feel like the longer time we stay up here at these theoretical highs, we're trapping more buyers to go lower. And the more the VIX starts to pump, the more it starts to give me we about to dump type of vibes. Because this is not the selling. This is not the, I'm going to cut this trade here. This is not the buying that I want to see come out of this area. We're just not getting that aggressive buying. And until that happens, I think I'm just going to wait. Because I don't want to get short. I don't want to take longs if the longs aren't, looking aggressive. So I'm just going to be flat until then. I think this is a good trade area, but it's just not giving me what I want to see, either structurally and or on the tape. So I'm just gonna wait till we come into this 1050 macro, and then I'll see what I want to do. Okay. I mean, we did put in a nice double bottom down there, but I'll just trade the next one based off this macro. I want to see what this macro does, because I think the chat's on to something. I think we could be selling down into PM session if we don't do anything in 1050. Then for me to get long, it'll probably be later in the session. Yeah, we're live daily, Yoshi. You never been in here before, man? Welcome to the shop. Need help from VIX? Yeah, exactly.
Nice, Brian. Past the combine, it was painful.
Yeah, I think we're trying to slowly creep our way back down.
Yeah, some more strong selling coming in here. Let's see what we do. A lot of negative delta.
Yeah, Dak sounded like one of them cats. It'd be like, you be trying to like talk shit to somebody, and then he be in the background. Yeah, fuck the VIX. We going up. When he came into the mic, I was like, damn, yeah, fuck the VIX. What he said? I'm with that guy. Yeah, you gotta pop out and show niggas.
Oh my god.
Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. All right, here comes Google, Microsoft, and Nvidia with Amazon trailing. So this could be the gun show here. We'll see. It's never good when I see us trading into that 1050 macro bullish though. Let's see. NQ looks very strong, but it's failing to get above settlement every single time. Yeah,
this next 5-minute candle is about to close here. These buyers are defending these lows every single time we come down.
All right, they in the building now. Buyers are definitely in the building now. I can tell by the speed of these fucking candles. Those are the motherfuckers that I wanted to save me. It's the ugliest doji candle ever. Nope.
Still got some aggressive buying coming in, but it looks like they're trying to potentially support. Well, never mind.
Well, this is what I want to see. I want to see us trade down into this macro. So I want to see what we do in the next 3 or 4 minutes. Selling is egregious.
Okay, Tupac. There's interestingly some buying going on at these lows here.
Yeah, we still on NQ or ES, we still haven't taken out that wick on the 15-minute. So until that low gets taken, I think we're still looking for longs, but they look aggressively bullish or bearish. Ooh. If we don't do anything inside of this macro, then I'm just looking for the market to come down lower, and I will wait my turn. It's a trap. It's a
lot of selling coming in. A lot of selling.
Yeah, I think the market wants lower. Lower. All right, so we're trading down inside of this 1050 macro. So I'm still looking for longs because I think as long as that low doesn't break down here, I'm definitely still entertaining longs. If this low breaks, then yeah, I think it's over for longs. VIX is still looking strong at 45.
Yeah, Apple's coming down. Nvidia's coming down. Microsoft's coming down. The whole market's coming down right now. But see if we put in this higher low here.
Yeah, we just took another low, validated another high. You want to see that 1050 macro trade into that high and then either look to go short. See what we do right at 1050.
We got 30 seconds left in this candle. Let's see what we do here.
Still bearish character here. We just broke a new low, so we just put in a new low. But you just don't want to see, if you're a bull, you want to see us stay trading above 60. I think it's the level that the bulls want to stay trading above. All right, this 1050 macro this does not look good if it trades bullishly back into structure. Let's see what happens here. There's some buyers.
Yeah, we're getting some strong buying coming in. Kind of a lack of selling at these lows. Looks like I did the right thing.
What's that?
Oh, by taking profit up there.
Oh. He said Vic's lying today. It could be. I think the area looks good, but I also think that if the market's going to reject, it's going to reject right here. So be careful jumping in these longs because I'm just reading price. Yeah, we're making a higher low here, but the bulls need to trade above the high. And that's what I'm waiting on. I'm not going to take another entry until the bulls trade back above that high.
Yeah, it's tough because like Apple is selling down aggressively right now. Nvidia is trying to rally, but Google and Microsoft are kind of like they're kind of hard to gauge at the moment, their strength, but you can clearly gauge Apple's strength is to the downside. And right now, if Nvidia doesn't start pumping more aggressively, I think we'll continue going down with Apple. So that's the only thing that's kind of tough. And on top of that, like you said, the VIX is rallying. We're trying to rally, so.
Never good.
And NQ is looking really good, though. I'm not going to lie. NQ did not dump down as far as ES did, and it's continued to rally up. So NQ is showing some more strength, and I think that's just because of NVIDIA. NVIDIA is showing that same strength. So it looks almost identical to NVIDIA right now. So. But I think I'm with Hobbs. I almost want to see, I want to see us kind of take 65 on ES and then come back down, kind of putting that higher low, and then I can look to long the market.
I want more than 65. I want 68 to break. I want to see us get above 68, and then I'll be interested. But until we do that, I feel like this is just trap. This is a trap that I don't want to trade in. I rather see us get above 58 or 60, 69 basically. If the market can't trade above 69, then I just don't. Yeah, if the market can't trade above 69 with any type of volume, then I just feel like it's going to continue to go down. And if that's the case, I don't want to be a part of the trade. I think this is a great area, but the buyers aren't stepping in the way that I want them to step in yet.
Let's see if we trap more sellers here. Yeah, we're still coming down. Again, failing to break that high.
VIX is increasing. 45, 43. Dancing right around here. My man Dak said at the VIX line today, Bucko, we going up. All right, see it. That's a nice higher low being put in on the 15-minute, being respected right there.
Yeah, some pretty strong selling going on down here at this low again.
NQ still looks strong as hell. Not a lot of buying going on in this area.
Not only is there not a lot of buying, but there's also not a lot of not a lot of people trying to get long on the passive side of things either.
That's what I mean.
We're not seeing the heat map. The heat map is not really. We're not feeling any new buyers to kind of support price down here, which doesn't make me feel good at all.
Nope.
And that 68 level that we rejected from initially is continuing to hold. But that was a big seller right there.
Yeah, I think
that was a seller that got absorbed.
Yeah. What the fudge was that?
Yeah, there was a seller right there. Big seller. 350 lot seller right there got absorbed. Actually, that was what, 450 lots got absorbed right there. And then we pushed up.
That was a lot.
Yeah. Well, the market just got more interesting.
NQ starting to push.
Look how they just
if
put that
can get
seller on the
above settlement, right, it'll be good. But shit, again,
they're trying.
You know what? Too, I thought about too is we got inventories. The market could be waiting till inventory in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes and 45 seconds, we got inventory. So NQ's already taking off because they don't give a fuck about oil. NQ, like whatever. What's tech doing? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a yellow folder news though, so we'll see how much it actually affects the market. Yeah,
oil is a commodity, so even though it's yellow folder news, that shit's important.
Here comes ES.
Come on, just trade above 68, bro. It's gonna be telling to see what NQ does up here at these highs. It looks so different today.
We're
getting a lot of strong buying on ES now. Definitely want to see this buying take out 68. A lot of liquidity sitting up there. I don't want to see it to be not for nothing because it's strong buying, but it's not continuous still. There we go. There's the push out. There we go. Now they're adding liquidity.
Yeah, there was a bid right there.
Let's see what they're doing here. NQ is gone. RIP to them shorts down there. God damn.
Fuck the big V.
Fuck it. Fuck the big V. Yeah, facts. Yo. Fuck it. Yo, somebody check Valdez trying to get into them shorts at the low. Check his heart rate.
He got out. He got out.
All right, you flip back. Okay, good.
He said shorts was a mistake.
I will trust. At the low, shorts was a mistake, but shit, at the high, these motherfuckers been sending. All right, we got news here in about a minute, I think. Yeah, minute 27 for the news. Never a good thing. He said that's why I'm not. But yo, NQ is gone, bro. What the hell?
Woo! Damn.
Yo, NQ just caught a body, bro. What the fuck? NQ said, "Come with me if you want to live." Bye bye, ES. Ooh,
yeah, we got some very strong buying right now.
That was some strong buying happening right now. Whoa. Nah, ES about to break the high. If ES can get over 68, I'm interested. I just don't want to see this news dump everything back down to oblivion. That's all you. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking for 64 to hold. 60. If we dump back down to 64 and that price holds, then I'm looking to take the market along because there's that order there. 64. We had some strong buying there as well, so they're putting bid to support price. So that's where my entry is going to be. Looks like we're gonna take this 69 level. If there's the take.
Oh right, no, I see a double top here. Yo, who you talking to, me? like that Biggie hour. Yo, who y'all talking to, man? Come on, get above 68, bro. You can do it. This is where Justin's profit target was last time.
I know. I was like literally a tick away.
I was like, yo, I remember this level so much. It just happened like 30 minutes ago.
Why? Why? Why?
You dirty bastard.
Yeah, it's all good. See if we can.
All right, I guess the news is out, but
yeah. One time it did. One time I remember it sent the market. It was weird. But I'm hoping for a pullback into 64. That's my plan right now. We pull back into 64, have price be supported or somewhere close to 64, and I'll look to take the market long.
Yeah, we gotta get above this high, bro. Like, stop fucking playing. This has to happen. Oh, NQ said we been back. Where the fuck you been? I've been getting, Icky said, I've been getting money. Where the fuck you been? Yo. Oh my God. What is the hour chart? Oh my God. Look at the hour candle on EQ, bro. If this wick holds, Jesus. No way they bought up that much to dump it back down, right? Then again, it is NQ. NQ probably just came, oh, it's rejecting previous day low. Never a good thing.
NASDAQ Prescott said, uh-oh, 234. Wait, we're short. It's like the Cowboys, literally. They always come up short, NASDAQ.
Mm-hmm.
They always come up short.
Well, you want to see this macro trade back down, but you want to see it hold structure. But the fact that we couldn't get above the high is not good for me. Well, I mean, it's not a problem. It just means that I'm still flat. Like if the market trades above, if I want to see the market trade above 68, but the macro, right in the middle of the macro, we got to trade down into structure, which tells me that the market, if we don't take the low, the market's going to be looking to trade higher, which I'm cool with, but I still need to see price get above 68 because I'm just looking at this area as pretty range bound and anything could happen back up at these highs. So I prefer price to get above this high. Because, I mean, if we all get, as far as what I want to see is I want to see the market go to 60 today. So if that's the case, then I don't need to be like pushing the narrative down here. I can just wait till the market trades out of this, right? And then I'm sure the market's ready to trade higher, right? Instead of me trying to catch, yeah. Exactly. Yeah, see, and they're failing again at the high, which tells me the market probably wants to trade lower. And NQ is definitely rejecting previous day low.
It's just one of those days. Yeah, I'm still holding out for 64. That's my level. We're retesting these strong orders that we got though on this last buy up.
Mm-hmm. I'm looking for shorts. I've switched my thesis over here. I want to see these motherfuckers get above 75. Yeah. Once we couldn't break that high, like that pretty much seals it for me. But I'm still not giving up on the bulls. But for me, bulls need to get above 68. Like that's where I'm at with the bulls. Okay. I think if we go to 234, we're going much higher than that. I don't think we're going down. I don't think we're going to hit 234 and then dump. I think if we go to 234 on NQ. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. 234 could be the rejection. But I believe if the bulls get it all the way up there, they're going to try to send it. Yeah. Facts. I love the 15-minute chart as well. But I mean, down here we're consolidating. So like for me, if I'm not shorting the market, I don't want to trade it right now because the market looks like it wants to, just looking at how much liquidity they got above. If these buyers don't start to be aggressive, if the market starts breaking some of these lows, it's going to come down pretty aggressively. And I'm just looking at the VIX, and the VIX is pointing me toward the bear market, not the bull market. But
it's
again,
also looking like a rising wedge as well.
Yeah, I'm looking at Amazon pump, but Apple is just straight flushing right now. It's just doing a fucking amazing job dumping right now. Yeah. Oh, did they have a concert yesterday?
Oh, yeah, I heard. I saw that.
Yeah, I didn't see it. Oh, damn.
A lot of buying going on here at these highs at 60, 69, 50.
That's all I need. I just want a closure above this level, and then I'll feel much more comfortable. They absorbed all that liquidity. They bought it all. Let's see what they want to do with it. Yeah, you see how we traded down at 10:50, right at 11 o'clock inside of that macro, but we didn't break the low. That makes me bullish.
Yeah, we're going up. These buyers are buying.
Yeah, because we're trading back into the structure at 71. Yeah. Bears was acting like some straight up bitches. I kind of regret one of my trades. I took a long at 65 and I cut it when we dipped down into 61. I'm gonna have to go back and beat myself up a little bit on that one. That was where I wanted to trade, but I added too much size to trust my invalidation point. So yep, here we are again, right back at the high. This is key, but I think but I think we're gonna push through it because this is exactly where everybody's gonna want to go short. So they can trap a lot of fucking sellers right here. So they're gonna run this. If the bulls are true, they're gonna run this liquidity really quickly. They'll make it look bearish and then they'll run it because this is midnight price too on ES.
Yeah, this area is very, very key for these bulls to break above. This is kind of the top of that wedge pattern up here.
Mm-hmm. That's what I was saying. Like, this is the area where if you're short bias, you want to look for shorts right here. No, I'm not either. I want to see that close above midnight.
And we're getting some strong selling coming in.
Bulls just ain't got it today. I feel like if they were gonna pump out of here, they were gonna ramp out of here. They just have not.
Yeah, the VIX just really hasn't got that like extra juice today. Like,
I don't think they should be. I think they'll be changing that tune soon if they break this. If they fail to get above 68 on ES and can't hold above it, I think this market could be in danger. I think the Bears could be taking over. It's just we're not going anywhere right now. It's kind of just a patient game right now. Move it. The 30-minute candles in Q looks good for longs. Yeah. That 2 Chainz song was fire. Yeah, it was.
What 2 Chainz song?
You been getting money, where the fuck you been?
Oh. Let's change this music up a little bit. This instrumental is called Effort because the Bulls need to show some effort.
For real, bro.
There is a lot of Go ahead.
Now, I was going to say, I think they are showing effort, but I think the sellers are also showing effort at the high. So that's why it's making it really hard for the market to push up any higher. But if I'm going to bet on any party, it ain't going to be the Bears. That's for damn sure. Them motherfuckers have proven nothing all month.
Yeah, we're still making higher highs and higher lows as we come back up here. So, but there's a 50. What is this? 68 and 70. There's like 800 buyers sitting right there. So, if those buyers get underwater, it's not going to be good for them bulls. We're trying to reject VWAP here. We got above VWAP, got right back below it. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. For me, it's a hands off the wheel type of situation. I'm just waiting to see what price wants to do. I'm more inclined to go short than I am long.
Yeah.
Good trade, bro.
Yeah, I'm with you on that right now. I'm waiting to see if we don't support this low at 65. I think it's going to be a bit of a problem. And they're trying to stop. They're reloading at 70, 71, but they are starting to kind of take orders off. So we'll see. But we grabbed that liquidity and then they put some liquidity back. But it looks like they're starting to lighten the load a little bit. And 65 and 64, they've continued to put those orders there to protect. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, just as bullish as we've been, the longer price stays at a high, the more bearish I get. Like, this feels like yesterday in the evening, we were just sitting here at these highs and we could not break the high. And as long as the market's doing that, like, I'm just gonna wait because I don't trust the bears enough to be shorting down here.
Yeah,
here come the bulls.
Yeah, the price is the activity up here is very, very low as far as like buying and selling goes. Like,
yeah,
a lot of buying is going on at the high, but other than that, like, it's very, very low up here. Let's see what we do.
Apple is continuing to dump. And now Amazon is dumping, but somehow we're pushing up.
Yeah, if Nvidia starts to get a dump as well, I think it'll kind of validate shorts here. Nvidia started to come down.
Okay.
This last 5-minute candle was like, it was so low in volume.
Yeah.
It just makes me think that they're not as interested as buying up here. Like, the volume is decreasing up here compared to that last buying candle.
Yeah, that's why I said, like, for me, it's more of a seller's market today. If the bulls can't get above 68 and hold, then the only thing left to do is go find more buyers, which means we got to trade down lower.
Let's see what this candle does.
But the longer we consolidate, the more bullish it becomes.
Yeah, that last 5-minute candle was like half the volume of the average volume on the day. So it's kind of interesting. It's like another attempt to buy up with really weak buying volume here. Yeah, after we took that high, they've just been struggling, but let's see what we do.
Yeah, this is why I say this area was going to be an area where the market would probably stop to trap sellers. There's a lot of sellers are going to be looking to get involved right here. If the market runs through this, they're going to take out a lot of freaking stops. But it's also a good area to run the market back down. So that's why I'm just like, I'll wait.
Yeah, Nvidia's starting to get pretty selly right here. I think if Nvidia and Apple can start to align, I think the selling could start to take over. We'll see though. Just seeing a lack of buying at these highs. 16,
that's why I said
12.
the longer, and it's a lot of freaking absorption happening every time we come up. So I think the longer we stay up here, oh yeah, that 15-minute doji. Yeah, I see that. We don't have that same print on NQ though. I mean on ES. The ES candle can still be interpreted as bullish on its closure. Yeah, that's why I'm just more inclined to not do anything until the market kind of decide what it wants to do. I think we're absorbing to go lower. Just the fact that we couldn't get above 68 just does not make me feel like the market wants to trade higher.
Well, let's say we're coming down to test 65. Selling is starting to take over again. Just a lack of buying up at the high. Once we ran that high, there was just no buying up there.
Yeah, I think the market's got to go find more liquidity. Yeah, Dag. Yeah, once they started rejecting previous day low on NQ, no matter how aggressive we came up there, we should have broke past previous day low. When I saw that, I was like, and then NQ, yeah, and ES stopped directly at midnight price and did not move 1 cent higher. And I was like, that's probably not a coincidence. And now the VIX is at 50. So this sell-off could go all day if the VIX starts to really push up. Remember, we've been waiting on the VIX to push up all fucking week. I mean, all year. So the VIX been consolidating at this level for a very long time. So if it chooses to push above 71, we could be in for a nice selly day, but we'll see what happens. Bill being passed for the draft. I heard about that through one of my Discord members, but I don't have any thoughts. They can't draft my ass. They can't draft me. They can't draft me. So
that draft bill is that draft bill is 18 to 26 though. So
hey, what do you mean 18, 26?
18-year-olds to 26-year-olds.
Oh, 18 to 26. I thought you were saying like some code. I was like, is that some fucking aviation code that I don't know?
No. It's 18 to 26-year-olds for that draft.
All right, there goes the VIX up to 50. Who was that? Oh, that was Valdez. His mic just he just ate his mic or some shit.
That was Dak. That was Dak Prescott.
Gotcha. Question is this the trap for the Bears? I mean, for the Bears, or I just haven't seen the aggression. Well, I'm just saying, I just haven't seen the aggression from the Bulls, man. And the CVD just keeps getting stronger. The CVD just keeps getting stronger, but I never trust the Bears this low. Like I refuse. Yeah, I'm not trusting bears this low. I see the case for the bears going lower, but nope. No fucking way. I'm selling the market this low. I'd much rather just walk away and trade the market back up in the PM session. Yep. It's a beautiful trend.
We're breaking down this trend line now.
Let's go. Yep, I agreed. Yeah, I was reading it bearishly, but I knew I wasn't gonna take it with the way that I trade. I knew I wasn't gonna take it right here, so I was okay with the market selling down from here. And if it sells down from here and I miss the trade, that's fine. I'll either wait for the PM session to long it back up, or just walk away for the day. But I still like this area for the longs. I'm not gonna take them because I don't like the fact that the longs haven't come to play, and the selling is just ramping up even more aggressively. So once we get above previous day low on ES, I think it could be night for this market until we go to 51 or even lower. See, and here come these bulls right back into the market.
Yeah, ton of selling or a ton of buying again at the same level. We're just not getting any continuation. Yeah, and it's all because of Nvidia. Nvidia is still holding this market up from selling off even more egregiously. Well, let's see. It's trying to come down.
I'm just waiting on the big dogs to come in. I think this market's about to gig us in. If we don't take this low down here, I'm telling you, this low, all of this selling that we've had on ES, and we haven't taken out 60, right? So until that low breaks, I think everything that's happening above it is fucking bullish. That's my thought. That's why I can't get short, because I'm like, nah. Whatever is happening down above 59 or 58.75 is bullish for now, right? And everything that I'm seeing is we're putting in higher lows. If you look at the 1 minute, after that double bottom, we took a high, we got above 63. That was the first high. Yeah, that was the first high. And then 61 was the new low. And then we put in above 71 was a new high. So now let's see what the market does. For me, it's a no trade zone, because I'm not sure that the bulls want to come play. And I'm also not interested in shorting the market this low. So until I can definitively see the market either hold some type of structure, it's just, yeah, it's like butter. The candles on the sell side are coming down like butter, which feels like the true move on the day. So. It's just the low for me, right? Like if I got in where you got in, I probably would be more comfortable with it. But for me, like I didn't get in right there, so I was just like, I'll wait. But I had the 50% retracement after. I was like, oh shit, it did tap into 50% right at 70. I just have like a recency bias that needs to be proven wrong by the market dumping below some of these lows. Let me know bears are in the building. Exactly. Let me know bears are in the building by getting below those lows, and then ending the day red. If they end the day down, I know, that's what I mean. That's why I'm like, I'd rather just wait. Yeah. I'm not convinced that we're going to finish the day red. So I'd rather just wait to get long down at the lows or down lower. I'm still looking at 60, like we could sweep that level and then go higher. But looking at the 15 minute, there's no reason for me to long this yet. Looks like we're moving in to take this low. Yeah, the 1 hour and the 4 hour look pretty aggressive to the downside. So it could go night-night. It could go night-night for real. Yeah, it could go night-night for real. All I know is every time I put my faith in these bears even a little bit. Yeah. Every time I put my faith in them. Yep. Might move. Facts. And then the market's left to clean this shit up, and we gotta fucking sell. Look at the fucking CVD on ES. Sits at 7,700 right now. Negative. And we're still not taking the low of price, which tells me we're probably coming right back up. I think she wants back up. I'm taking longs right here. I'm taking longs right here. I'm gonna see what happens. I like the risk to reward right here, so I'm gonna take longs at 63.50 and put my stop below 58. I think the market is just baiting sellers right now. That's what I think. I'm gonna take that risk. That's still within my trading plan. I'm gonna absorb that risk and see what happens. Yeah, if I'm gonna trade it, I'm gonna trade it right there. If I don't want to wait till it comes out higher because I may need to cut it at the low. So my stop is at 58.75. So if the market puts in a new low, then it just takes my stop, right? So that's how I'm gonna play it right here.
Oh, that was,
it's pretty strong selling right there.
yeah, that was a seller. Seller's moving down with price right now. Thought that was a bid, but it wasn't. It was ask.
See what they do at 60. It's kind of the thesis of the trade that if we hold 60, it's a winner. If we don't, it'll dump. I like everything. Every time we come down into the 60s or into the lower 60s, we find more buyers. I think buyers are slowly loading into positions down here. Because all of this negative delta right here, if it gets flipped, then they're all going to be buyers. So, but if they continue to sell, then I'm just incorrect, and I'm okay with that. Yeah. See, every time we tap these lows, we just there's a lot of selling, but that just makes me more bullish, not bearish. Because if we're doing all of this selling down here, we can't break these lows. We can't even get close to them. it makes me more bullish than bearish. But if the sellers put the buyers underwater, I think we go much, much lower. Much lower. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh fuck, we did that. Yeah, we did that.
Yeah, this area is tough. This area is tough. It looks like we're rounding in price again. And there's definitely somewhat of a lack of selling at these lows again.
Yeah, if I'm gonna take it, like I said, I'm gonna take it long right here, and I'll live with the results.
This is garbage.
Yeah, it's definitely not 2-3 contracts worthy, but it's worth a contract. I'll give it one contract here at 63.50. See what happens.
I feel like I'm almost in the same boat I was in earlier, where we're consolidating down here. So if we can rally and then come back and retest the consolidation, kind of like we did earlier, we are putting in another lower high, like you were saying. But yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, we'll probably take it into the next macro.
Here. ES is coming back up. Looks like we're about to break up out of here. We're in a range. We're in this range here. Here comes some strong buying coming out now.
Yeah, I think it wants to buy out of here. Controlled demolition of bulls so far. Yeah, I think that the markets could potentially be trapping late sellers down here at these lows. That's why I didn't want to sell the market in discount, but I understood the thesis for it. I had to just sit here and think, like, and every day the market has not been able, the bears have not been able to accomplish anything. And I'm just like, I'm not betting on bears this low. I would bet on bulls high, but I'm not betting on bears low. No chance. ES is not taking Asia AIM, right? No, but NQ did. So you can have one take it and the other one don't, is my understanding of how you guys trade that. No. But I mean, I've seen it multiple times where ES doesn't take the low, or ES does take the low, and NQ doesn't, and then we go. All right, this is looking good. Long 63.50. Want to see an aggressive push above midnight price now. I want to see a push above 70. And I'm not adding this time until we get above, if we get above 76. There's no way I'm touching more contracts until we get up there. Ton of liquidity being added on the tape to the sell side. Bulls keep filling it back up. That negative delta from 59 to 63 is the only thing that concerns me, because if sellers get back in their comfort zone, so to speak, then they're going to be looking to drop price much lower. But I'm betting that the sellers that are here are buyers. That's my bet. Another strong rejection, but again, bought up by the buyers down there. Big buyer coming in, getting absorbed pretty aggressively. But he's continuing to buy, so we'll see what happens. That's not a good candle or a good fucking reaction from the buyers right there. Yeah, they might have just lost it right there. we're going to trigger here, I want to see this buyer defend here. If he doesn't defend, then I'm gonna get out of the trade. It's really tough right here just to see what the market wants to do. Ton of selling, but the buying just keeps coming in, buying up all of the selling. So okay. Good. Come back, maybe come back for PM. Yeah, we're at the daily fib. This is fair value right here. Like the market should want to buy right here though.
The VIX is also rejecting.
Yeah, this is definitely fair value. Yeah, I think this is fair value down here. I think this is a good trade, but the when will it pop up is, the question, if it's going to pop up. Stocks are starting to recover too. I like what Apple's doing down here, so I'm gonna stay in. Fuck, and here goes the VIX right back up. Come on. What are you doing here, guys?
It's continuing to try to sell lower here.
Mm-hmm. Not looking good. Come on, hold 50, hold 63.50. I want to see them continue to buy at 63.50, which is what I'm seeing continuously. So one of the reasons why I'm in the trade. So oh, they're taking over his 50. Come on, buyers, get back up there. Buyers are definitely interested in holding 63.50. Yeah, I'm gonna continue to hold this. I think buyers are trying to go for it. Yeah. I just feel like the longer we stay down here, we don't break this low, the higher the potential of the bulls pushing out of this area. We haven't tested VWAP. We haven't taken it over yet. We're below true day. I think there's a lot of reasons to be bullish down here. I'm going to hold my position until it looks stupid to do so. But right now, every time we come down to 63.50, we're defending 63.50. So as long as we're defending that, I want to hold the trade. Yeah, that higher low looks really good at 61.75. Yeah. Yeah, I'm liking everything. I love that defense of 63.50. That made me really confident. So yeah, I just thought you were getting long and you were getting short inside a discount. Below midnight price, below settlement. Well, I guess you could see discount more so at the 20,000 level, because I'm looking at discount as being Tuesday's low. Yeah, that's what I was saying. That was, so where you got in wasn't discount, but it was coming from discount. Yeah. That's what I thought you were talking about. That 127, 18, when we swept that low, that was discount right there. Yeah, I'm still not going to add to it until we get above true day. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely reason to be cautious up here. I would not be jumping in this thing at the highs the way it's been acting, but I'm in at the low, so I'm just like, whatever. Like, do your worst or take me out. Yeah. Hopefully 1150 brings us something better. This is trash price action. All right, man, take it easy. Yeah, that rejection doesn't feel good. If this takes out 53, 63.50, then I got to cut the trade. I want to see these buyers defend 50 again. Yeah, they're still adding more liquidity at 50 every single time. So they're adding even more liquidity at 66. So you want to see buyers really get strong here. Still defending 63.50. It's another strong defense by the Bulls. As long as we can continue to defend 63.50, I still feel comfortable. The minute we stop defending that, it's time to go. Oh boy. Another defense of 63.50. But again, just no continuation away from 63.50. I like the defense. I do not like the fact that we're not trading away from it. Finger on the trigger here. They break 63. I'm gonna close the trade. Still defending. And they're taking it over. Oh, nope, still defending. Jesus. All right, I'm out there. Bulls just can't get it up. They just cannot get it up, push it up. 63.50 was very key for me. And if the Bulls couldn't break that level, then it was probably going to be a night-night situation. I wasn't trying to stick around for that. So I lost 1 point right there. That's 0 for 3 for me. I think I'm going to wait until, well, 1 for 3. but I'm gonna wait until the PM session because I just want to get long down here, and I can feel that, right? Like I just want to get long, and no matter how much I want to take the market long, the market doesn't want to go up. So instead of taking like continuous paper cuts, I'm just gonna wait until the market's done doing its worst here.
Yeah, back in long or short? Short. Yeah, I also am testing a short as well, but I'm just really uncomfortable in this stupid fucking short. It's only because of what stupid Apple and Nvidia is doing, but I don't like it. I'm super uncomfortable in this stupid short. The market has just been very uncomfortable as a whole, either way today. I need like 5 points right now. I need us to break below this low and not hold this 63.25 right before we broke through. I need 55, I think. We got to break through all of this right here, make a new low. I just need three more points. We got to break through this low. Oh yeah, NQ is flushing. ES is trying to come down.
That was a long ass consolidation too.
It damn sure was, bro. And it had so many fake outs. Like
we stayed up there for a long ass time.
I think we might bounce back up. There's a lot of selling that hit at 62, so I think we bounce back up and then we come back lower. We just gotta hold this. They're putting orders above us. I'm not too worried about this. Let's see what we look like off this 5-minute candle. Oh my god. You can't trust them. I'm going to break even. I was up like 6 points. I'm going to break even. You got to be shitting me.
Look at the time.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I don't fall for that trap. Fuck that shit.
These bulls just ate up this one 5-minute candle. That's crazy.
Yeah, they engulfed all that liquidity down there. But every time we do this, like we don't go back up.
So go back up and take me out. Let's see though. I'm gonna hold. I'm at break even, so. Wow. It's the second time on the day. What the actual fuck? They just can't hold below any levels. Like the bulls are just so strong.
Any attempt to break the low will be punished. So will be fucking punished.
Any breakdown traders just got destroyed right there.
Mm-hmm.
Here we come though. Here comes some more strong selling here.
Yeah, this is what you want to see. You want to see that continuation from the selling, but if
We're just not getting it.
I think if the market gets back above 63, you guys are in trouble.
I'm out if the market gets back above 63. I'm out to break even. So
I like the trade though. I can't trust the bears at low. Man, I can trust the bulls at the high, but I just can't trust the bears at the low. Mm-hmm.
Mine as well. The VIX is trying to rally here. Nvidia is rejecting. It's just Apple. Apple got a nasty candle back to the upside right there, but Nvidia is rejecting and coming back down. So as long as Nvidia is coming down, I think we should be okay. Hopefully Apple will start to kind of follow. Yeah, Nvidia is rejecting its entire candle. Apple just needs to get on board. I think we'll be okay. It's like the two of them are just like kind of duking out for power. Bro, that 5-minute candle was stupid aggressive to the upside. And now that we've broken back above, like I'm a little bit worried this is like a fake out breakdown. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure like $50 just in case, and then kind of move with this. I'm definitely fighting being down.
I want to see us get back above 63. If we don't get back above 63, I think this thing's going to continue to slam down.
Come on, sellers. Drop base, drop this bitch. Right? Oh
He
my
says
God.
this one time. I think I'm going to take this.
We like you right now. We need to like you right now.
No, you don't like it. You need them. It's like, I just need you this one time. This is trash, man. We should have just played London. Fuck. It was so beautiful and clean, straight one direction. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, sellers are getting back on board here. There we go. Apple's starting to flush down. Just need Nvidia to start to flush down too. The VIX is trying to rally up into its supply zone, so that's also kind of good.
Beautiful sell-off. Long,
yeah,
but continuous. Here. The CVD's at 10,000 on the ES. I think you guys are good. As long as we can officially close below 60 and start trading below the previous day low, like ES, like NQ is doing, I think you'll be fine. This looks like another drop-based drop on the 15. So it's pretty silly. And I like the way you're managing. Like you were in at the next high break or failure, so you can kind of manage your position in profit and still give the trade room to breathe. So
yeah. Exactly. Waiting to see if 57 can break.
It's just these fucking. It just always feels like the Bulls are setting a trap. Like it just like no matter how silly we get, it just always feels like the Bulls are setting a trap. Like just dump it already. Like what are you waiting on? You got the VIX, you got the stocks, you got everything. Like take profit.
Yeah, just dump this, please.
Dump this shit already. Gee. Motherfuckers trying to hold something. I'm looking at longs. I'm just waiting for a little bit more confirmation because I just feel like
I don't blame you. I don't blame you.
Like
I don't blame you at all. That 57 level, I don't think they want to. I feel like they do not want to test that 57 level. And I think eventually the market will dump, but I just think it's going to take forever for the market to accomplish that dump. Because Apple, again, is trying to rally up. NVIDIA is at its low, but Apple is what's holding ES.
Yeah, I'm going to wait. I'm going to stick to my guns and wait.
Here comes
I think
NVIDIA is trying to break down here. Come on. Just come. Oh my God. Just fail here. Just fail. Stop it, Apple. Get some help by the Bears. The only thing is Apple has been selling off all damn day. So, I mean, I really can't be like upset with what Apple's doing down here because it has been selling down.
Yeah, all of these buys are failing up here, which is what you want to see. So
yeah.
Every time we come up, we keep failing. So that's kind of what you want to see. But
okay, they just put some orders below us.
Yep, this looks good.
Yeah, I just need 2 more points now.
Nah, it looks they're increasing the selling, man. I think they're trying to take this out.
They're definitely trying to take.
We traded into that 1150 macro bullish, so we should be looking to come out of this thing selly.
We just gotta break this low here.
It just always feels like the Bears are in danger.
It's so difficult, bro. It is so difficult.
You know how quick this shit can turn around. That's why. you feel so comfortable, and then all of a sudden the Bulls are like, oh, hello. I'm glad you made it.
It's like, hello, motherfucker.
Glad you made it.
Come on. Oh my God. They just put more orders down there. Just break, ES. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this, ES. Stop playing these games. What's up, Pip? Stop playing these games and get below this low. And just give me like 2 more points. I swear I've been 2 points away all damn day. Like it's been such a fight for the last 2 points, bro. It's ridiculous.
You're gonna get it. I think it'll break through this low.
Look at the tape. Look at 57. Look how many orders are sitting at 57, bro. It's
that's why it's taking so long. They're trying to eat this shit up, but I'm trying to long this shit. As soon as I see what I want, I'm gonna try to long this shit. But I think we could come back down to 51 first in the PM session.
I'm not liking all these orders sitting here at 58. Yeah, I'm not liking how they're building 58 up right now. This is not what I like. Yeah, seriously. I feel feeling like Bud right now, fighting for my life.
Like I said, I'm fighting life out here. Yeah, I won for 4. I took a banger entry, let it go back red, then started fighting green trades down here.
Okay, they're starting to move that liquidity away, so maybe we're about to get below it, or maybe not.
So we're good.
My God.
Justin and Valdez are short currently, and I'm trying to get long with confirmation down here.
Just get me out and tap Hobbs in. That's all we're asking for. I'm short from 63.
He's on it.
Looking for us to break this low here, but we are not. We are struggling to break this low.
Justin. So,
I
it's almost
I
time.
know, Hobbs. I know.
Ding, ding, ding. School's in.
Yeah, I don't.
All right, I'm long down here now.
I don't like
I'm
this
long
positive.
I'm long
I
at
don't like this
58.
negative delta at this low here.
I'm giving it 1 point because I like what I'm seeing on the tape. I don't have any other invalidation areas nearby, so I'm gonna take it here.
Damn.
Oh, is that like an advertisement? Like an advertising deal? Was that security? Oh, okay. Got you. Damn, 30%. Is that 40,000? Yeah, facts. It's a good deal. Yeah, that's a good deal.
All right, that was a really nice rejection by the Bears there.
Hey man, leave my stop alone, yo. Chill. Relax.
Nah, I still don't like it.
Yeah, what y'all say? Motherfuckers got so excited for a second, didn't they? Motherfuckers, shut up quick. Oh no. Oh, okay. Hello.
Yeah, they showing they ass here.
Y'all almost got me. Y'all almost got me that time. That was close. I don't trust them down here, bro. I can't. Bro, I can't trust the Bears, bro. Not this low. I'll trust the Bulls at the high. I'm not trusting the Bears at the low. No fucking way.
Yeah, grab BA fix account.
Oh, that means Mike tilted. He's like, I'm about to go do some damage. That's what it is. He said, I got. Yeah, my stop was at 57. I got in at 58.25. That shit came to 57.25.
All right, I just got knocked out there for 250. God, I'm back to basically being break even on the day.
Hey, but you fought. Yeah. Come on, man. Come on, Bulls. Oh, was he? I didn't know he was trading like that. I didn't know he was trading that.
You might. No, I think you're talking about. I think you're talking about Eddie.
That was Eddie. That was Eddie. Yeah. Oops. Still don't feel comfortable in this trade until the market can trade above the Jesus Christ.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm about to hop on the Hobbs train. I ain't gonna lie to you. There's so much negative delta down there. If we hold this, we're going right back up.
I'm just looking at this.
I just need 5 points now. I've gotten back to just needing 5 points. So this is just a battle for 5. Bro, I've been negative. I've been positive. I've been negative again. Like, bruh.
I'm relaxed.
It's just a lack of selling down here.
Yeah, it does look like a little bitch right now. 57. Mm-hmm. He put a little notification there. Yeah, this candle does look crazy. This shit does not look good. All right, we get a rejection of the previous day low. My risk is 1 point, so I'm not really worried about the trade if it takes me out. I'm still going to look for longs. My next area will be 51 if we break through this level. 51.25 if we break through here.
I'm just looking at the delta in this area, and it's very, very high. 600, 700, 500, right here at 58. If this delta doesn't get rewarded, we're going back up.
Pip, can you can you mute your mic? I don't know. It sounds like he's going on lunch or something. Facts. I got some leftover salmon. Salmon, eggs, bacon, and sausage. Let's go. Again, selling into this level, it's like every level requires so much selling to break it. 15-minute looks really good to the downside. Let's see if we hold these lows, though.
I'm not in yet.
What's your stop? Okay. I'm risking $62, but if this, yeah, where was that at? Yeah, that was a mistake for me. I should have took profits. Yeah, I should have took profit. I was about to say I didn't make it as many times as I did last week, but I definitely made it again. Exactly. So. Valdez. I smelled trouble. I smelled trouble. Trouble. Mm-hmm. $330. These, when I came in, I was making the plan and the shorts were just coming down. I was like, yo, this looks like true selling. Oh, hold on a second, Pip. Hold on a second. We gotta blow the RIP whistle for these fucking shorts. To
Order
fill. Yeah. It's like order fill, bro. I said, uh-oh, yeet time. Y'all better quit fucking with these bulls this low, bro. No, sir. Bro, I do not fuck with the Bulls when the market's this low, bro. Like, that was aggressive, but we still did. I mean, the Bears, yeah. I can't be a bear this low. Yo, they about to dump it. No, they about to dump it. No, come on. What is this? Was that a news candle? What was that? That was so weird. Oh, they just cranked the VIX up. We might be in trouble. Here. Oh, so you don't even, my stop don't even matter to you no more then. Good. Loser. You're not trying to get, no way you're trying to get low right now. No way. If you think I'll let these low slide.
What was your entry?
58.25.
Okay.
What was yours? 58?
58.75.
Yeah. I just felt like we can't break this. Yeah. Exactly. That's why I'm just staying in my long, letting the market stop me out.
Yeah, I just think they could put pressure on these late sellers. There's absorption down there. We got that strong buy up, and they're putting bids below. So I like it. Again, I just need 5 points. ES, if you want to just bless me with 5 points, that'd be great.
Justin likes this trade. Yeah, like the market has a strong way of fucking with Justin when he need like 2 or 3 points.
It does. It loves to not give it to me. And Nvidia is selling down aggressively, but we are rejecting supply on the VIX, which I like.
Man, let this thing do what it do, baby. I think if we can't get up by 1, then we're just going to continue lower. But I'm guessing that this is going to bring the high. And then once we get the high, then I can look to potentially add to the position safely. Today has not been the safe day to add.
Yeah, today's been just, oh my god.
Yeah, we have. Today's been the market hasn't even smelt VWAP today.
It's been a battle today, that's for sure. We've been battling. I like the 5 minute. I like what the 5 minutes doing. I like how we bought up, and then that last 5 minute candle was pretty good. We just got to break above 61 now.
Yeah, I'm good as long as we're above 59. I like that on the 50% of this fib on the 15 minute. I like us to push out of here.
I just like how I've been managing my trades today for being in 2 minutes all day and being up and down. I haven't been down more than $300 on the day, which is really good.
Yeah, I'm definitely proud of the way I'm bobbing and weaving in this shit. But now I'm ready for some explosive action here.
If I take this loss, I'll be down 200, and I think I'll just call it a day. I like we're rounding here, though. I just want to see us continue to hold and to push up. They basically cleared the book up to 63 for us. But 57 has those orders, which we're kind of just trying to hold. So hope we can get a nice push up into 63. Break that. I just need 64.
What a long ass trading day. It's always a long day. I'm not touching this so much. Dang, my bad, y'all. We definitely, we so far behind. Sorry, guys.
Don't even try to catch up at this point.
Yeah. This is a scalper's paradise. Yeah, this is a scalp day. Gold will take off soon. Waiting for gold to hang out. But man, I'm sorry, guys. I'm not even trying to catch up. This is a lot. What time is it? Yeah, it's 11 o'clock, guys. I think I'm gonna take this one into the sunset. I'm long at 58. I'm looking to add if we come back down to 59, and then stops are at 57 for a risk of about $200. So let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna take another position here. So yeah, 59 is the total entry, 57 is the stop. Risking 2 points. I'm looking to go back to the high. Pretty much take out the high a day. But I'm not gonna sit here and watch this thing. If it stops me out, I'm done trading anyway. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
It starts getting volatile.
so much for stopping by the Trader Shop. Myself, Jay Seals, and it was a tough one today. It was definitely a tough one. 1 for 4, potentially 1 for 5 for me. Trying to long this market and then not taking profits a couple times, but I managed the losses well. I'm only negative on the day $340. So I'm not really tripping. It might be a little more after this loss, and if that's the case, then I'm just going to step away and just wait for the PM session to bring us some more clear price action to the upside. So that being said, ladies and gentlemen, Jay, you got anything?
Nope, it's been like Hop said, it's been a rough day today, but hopefully this trade will work out. But if not, we manage our risk. We'll come back tomorrow and try to get back on this horse. So that's all I got.
Yep. All right, guys, take it easy. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Don't forget to tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn those notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live or put out a video. From me and Jay, we'll catch you guys tomorrow, man. Peace.